Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Surge Protector cover is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items for any parent aiming to create a safe environment for their little ones, especially as they begin to explore their surroundings with newfound curiosity and mobility. These ingenious devices are designed to prevent curious toddlers and babies from accessing the dangerous electrical outlets and the plugs inserted into them, safeguarding them from potential shocks and hazards that could otherwise turn a playful moment into a serious accident. In today's world, where technology is integrated into every corner of our homes, ensuring that these power sources are secured is paramount for peace of mind. Number 5. Sleek Socket Original Flat Outlet Concealer Kit. Tired of bulky, messy cords? This innovative concealer kit discreetly hides your outlet and cords, enhancing your home's appearance. It's perfect for small spaces and behind furniture, creating a cleaner, more organized look. Say goodbye to ugly, unsafe plugs and cords. This ultra-thin device hugs the wall, blending in seamlessly. It reduces clutter and potential hazards, making any room look neater and more visually appealing. Setting it up is incredibly simple. Just plug it into your existing outlet like a regular device. No tools or complicated DIY projects are needed for a quick and easy installation. The kit comes with everything you need, including adhesive strips and clips. These help you neatly secure the cord to the wall, keeping it out of sight and organized. It works with all standard duplex outlets. This ensures a versatile fit for various setups, whether you're organizing your kitchen or concealing cords behind furniture. Not only does it hide clutter, but it also expands your power options. This kit includes a 3-outlet power strip, giving you more places to plug in your devices. What we like? This is perfect for those who want to declutter and enhance their home's aesthetic. If you're tired of seeing messy cords behind your TV or furniture, this is the solution. It offers a sleek way to manage your cables and even provides extra outlets, making it ideal for home improvement projects. What people say? This cord kit worked like a charm. It sits even flatter to the wall than I was expecting. It just snugs right up against the existing wall plate. Makes the outlets look neat and tidy. Very easy to install. The sleek socket is a fantastic solution for concealing outlets in tight spaces like kitchens or behind furniture. The 3-foot cord is perfect for extending power without creating a tangled mess. The universal size fits snugly and securely over my existing outlets. The sleek socket blends seamlessly with my wall, making it almost invisible and leaving a clean, uncluttered appearance. Number 4. Wappa Baby Outlet Covers, 50-pack. Keep your little ones safe from electrical hazards. Our outlet covers provide peace of mind by preventing access to dangerous sockets. Unlike flimsy alternatives, these are made to be difficult for children to remove. Ensure a secure barrier against curious hands. Designed to blend in with your home decor. They contribute to a safer living environment without being an eyesore. Baby proofing is a breeze with ease. Just insert them into unused outlets for a secure fit in seconds. Protect your home, office, or business with this 50-pack. It's an affordable way to childproof multiple locations. What we like? For parents and caregivers, safety is paramount. If you have toddlers or babies crawling around, these are a must-have. They offer a quick and secure way to protect little ones from electrical hazards, giving you peace of mind in any room. What people say? These outlet covers are perfect for keeping my little one safe. They fit snugly into the outlets and prevent curious toddlers from sticking anything into the sockets. The covers are made of sturdy plastic and feel well built. They're not flimsy and seem like they'll last a long time without cracking or breaking easily, even with little hands around. The white color blends well with most outlets and doesn't stand out too much, so it looks neat and unobtrusive in your home or office. Number 3. Babepai 38-pack White Child-Proof Electrical Protector. Keep your curious toddlers safe from electrical hazards. Our improved design ensures your little ones can't access outlets. These protectors are simple for adults to insert and remove, but impossible for children to tamper with. Enjoy peace of mind in your home. Made with durable materials, these covers provide long-lasting safety for your home. They fit snugly into any standard outlet. Prioritize your child's well-being with our reliable safety solutions. These are essential for any home with young children. This generous pack provides ample protection for every room in your house. You'll have plenty to go around for all your electrical outlets. Worry less about potential dangers and focus on enjoying time with your family. Our product offers a simple yet effective safety measure. What we like. If you're looking for a robust and user-friendly baby-proofing solution, consider this option. The hidden pull handle makes removal easy for adults but difficult for children. It's a durable and effective way to keep your home safe for your little ones. What people say. These covers are simple and easy to use, just plug them into the outlet and you're done. They feature a solid lock that prevents curious little hands from pulling them out, which gives me peace of mind. At the same time, they include a small handle that makes them much easier for adults to remove when needed. The white color blends in nicely with standard outlets, so they don't stand out or look awkward. Number 2. Mom's Choice Gold Award winner outlet covers with hidden pull handle, 45-pack. Introducing our award-winning outlet covers, designed with a hidden pull handle. This innovative feature makes them easy for adults to use while keeping little ones out. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly ABS material, these covers are built to last. They provide a durable and safe solution to protect your children and pets from electrical hazards. These are perfect for all standard 3-prong outlets and power strips. Their discreet white design blends seamlessly with your home decor, making them less appealing to curious children. Installation is a breeze, no tools required. Simply press them into the outlet, and they're ready to go. Removing them is just as easy for adults. With 45 covers in each pack, you can ensure your child's safety at home, in the office, or even on vacation. Keep them protected from power hazards wherever you are. What we like. This product is designed for parents who want a blend of safety and convenience. If you need to childproof multiple outlets and appreciate a design that's easy for adults to manage, this is a great choice. It ensures your children are protected from electrical hazards without adding extra hassle. What people say. The socket cover is of excellent quality, with smooth edges. It plugs in securely without any tools, and the cover seals tightly, preventing any water splashes during daily cleaning. The flame-retardant material feels solid, with no burrs or cheap plastic smell. The rounded edges won't cut your hands, and it fits perfectly, completely eliminating the risk of water seepage. Installation is super simple, just press it in and it's secure. They are easy to push in and are very snug, so I don't worry about kids of any age pulling them out. They're so snug, they actually take me a bit of effort to pull out. I have to wiggle them side to side a little bit. Number 1. Sleek Socket Original Outlet Concealer Kit. Tired of unsightly outlets and tangled cords? Our innovative kit allows you to completely hide your entire outlet and cords, enhancing your home's decor. It provides a sleek solution for managing plugs and cables, creating a clutter-free environment. This is ideal for powering multiple devices in your home office, entertainment room, or home theater. It discreetly fits behind your TV stand, wall mount, or desk, keeping your space tidy. Say goodbye to bulky plugs and cords that create clutter and hazards. This ultra-thin device hugs the wall, blending in seamlessly. It provides surge protection while enhancing your home's visual appeal. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach it to your existing outlet like a traditional plug. No tools or complicated DIY projects are needed, making setup quick and easy for anyone. Keep your cords neatly organized and out of sight with the included adhesive cord concealer kit. It features removable adhesive strips and clips to secure the cord neatly to your wall. It works with all standard duplex outlet sizes, ensuring a versatile fit for various setups. Whether in your office or behind furniture, it offers a reliable solution for a neat and efficient space. What we like. This is the ultimate solution for entertainment setups and home offices. If you have multiple devices that need power and want to keep cords neatly hidden, this is for you. It offers surge protection and a sleek design, perfect for behind TVs or desks. What people say. Plug compatibility. They fit seamlessly in our existing standard outlets. No wiggle or jiggle and not excessively tight, making for both a secure and fit into our plugs and an easy removal. Slim fit for behind furniture so no wires are being bent and ruined. Being able to plug something in without a bulky adapter sticking out of the wall is great. This made it easy to route a surge protector to a shelf that does not have an outlet right next to it while still keeping everything looking clean and not bulky. It looks so neat and sleek over the outlet, and my baby definitely won't be able to pull this off of the wall. I can barely pull it off of the wall without using something to pry it off. It 100% serves the purpose that I bought it for, keeping my baby safe. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.